Today we are going to be seeing how to make this kind of a part, this kind of a wavy wavy solid piece, and also this the top rim and the bottom ring. I'm going to show you the full course how to do it. Okay, let's get started. Go to new part and click OK. Go to the top plane, click and make a circle. So that is going to be, let's say, 100 mm. So I'm pressing the S key now to bring up the short menu, and then choose the dimension and then put 100. Yeah, now it is 100 mm. So on that, again we are going to make a line. So see, if it is black, then it is fully defined sketch. If it is black, it is fully defined sketch. So it should be black, it should be fully defined. Then what you have to do is linear pattern, circular pattern. So we are going to make a pattern on this. So the circular pattern, the pattern is this, and then number of patterns. So that's 4. So let's make 18. So 18, you can put any number you want. So the wavy will be less or more. So that's it. You click. So now we have this pattern, and now we need to make a new plane. So exit this, go to plane. If you click on this, you don't get, we need to put it on the height. You don't get this height. So what you have to do is you have to click on the plane. I'm showing you right now. Plane. Click on the tab plane, then make a plane. See, then you get this, what is the height you want. So you want 20 mm, yeah, 20 mm height. So if you go click OK, then you are having a plane on top of the existing drawing 20 mm above. So you want to sketch, copy all this onto this plane. So what we do is, we go here and copy these two things, insert, insert, see what I did right now. I'll show you. So you have made this sketch and made this plane now, okay, and then lastly you have to just exit out of all the sketches like this plane. So what you do now, you choose this and choose this control. I'm pressing the control right now and choosing. See, I'm without pressing control, if you choose any one will be selected. So press control and choose this and choose this. Okay, now the two things are selected, the plane and the drawing what we made right now. And go to insert and derived sketch. On the insert menu, derived sketch. Okay, so hope it has come on the top. Now exit. So now you have the same stuff in two areas. So now you need to put a line around it, you know how to do it. So therefore that we go here, plane through reference point. See, these are the reference point we'll be using. So curve through reference point. So let's say this one and this one, okay, and then this one and this one, okay. So this one and this one. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just go and delete it, okay. So this one, slowly rotate. I'm pressing the middle mouse button, and this one 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 and this one. So last one, don't click it, just close the curve. Click this one, close the curve and OK. See, you have made this line automatically using the curve through reference point, So you have made this line. So how to sweep this? You know, sweep boss base. So use the command. We need a pipe on this, yeah. We need a pipe. Sweep boss base, circular profile, and click on these. So that's 10 mm. Oh, that's a lot. We make 3. So that's beautiful. Okay. So we have made 3. So how then we need to sweep this and sweep this. Let's see. You will get an error. I'll show you how to fix that. Sweep, circular profile. Click here. Click OK. Let's say 4 mm. If you press yes, there will be an error. See, the trimmed piece cannot be identified from the saved information. Why? Because it is trying to merge these and these and these. So it cannot trim it. So what we should do is sweep boss base, circular profile, click on this 3 mm, let's say 4 mm. Then go to here, options, don't merge results. If you don't merge the results, then you don't get it. You don't get any error. See, it has come properly. So if you see what is happening is, it is trying to calculate this area. So it is not able to cut this and merge together. So it is giving out an error. So we will make the same for this. Circular profile. Let's say 1 mm for this. Let's make it. Let's see if we get any error. So here merge result is on. So let's merge. Still we are getting. So if you take the merge results off, then you are not getting it. So take the merge results off, then it should be fine. Don't merge it. So here is what you made it. You can make some nice coloring to it. Or only this area if you want to color it. So there you go. You had made a beautiful swaggy drum or a ring, whatever you can say. You can use this as a jewelry, designing, or anything you want to make, like a drum, for engineering. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. And for more information, please like and subscribe our channel, and more to come on SolidWorks.